I will start my speech in 3, 2, 1. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Let me introduce myself. My name is Charlie Basudeo and I'm the first speaker. Before I continue my speech, let me introduce my teammates. The first is Siti Reddy as the second speaker, and the next is Gita Maya Pramono. She's as the third speaker. And the honorable judges and all participants, before I'm here to deliver my setup about the motion, the debate motion. The motion that we will bring to the debate today is Indonesia should take Rohingya refugees, and then I will clarify that our team is government team, and we agree that Indonesia should take Rohingya refugees. Before I take to the advanced discussion, I will give you definition about the Rohingya refugees itself. According to the United Nations High Commissioner for Refugees, the Rohingya are Muslim ethnic minority who have faced persecution and violence in Myanmar for decades. The United Nations considers them one of the most persecuted minorities in the world. Many Rohingya have fled Myanmar as refugees, seeking safety in neighboring countries, including Indonesia. And I will give you from the side of my team, I will give you some problems that why Indonesia should take Rohingya refugees. The first is about the humanitarian crisis. The Rohingya face a dire humanitarian crisis. They live in an overcrowded refuge camps with limited access to food, water, sanitation, and health. So they in that country have faced many of problems, and they are seeking for help in the neighboring, including Indonesia, because they lack of food and water, sanitation, and health. So they looking for help. One of them is Indonesia, and why this has become a problem? Because Indonesia itself is a country that with high humanitarian, then Indonesia should help the Rohingya refugees, because the one of main reason is because humanitarian itself. And the problem number 2 is regional regional instability. The Rohingya refugees, why they looking for help? Because in their country itself, they have face a lot of problem, and of course in the country itself, like in this term is Myanmar, of course they have faced a lot of problem and unstable region. By Indonesia take these Rohingya refugees, we can make a good relation with Myanmar, so Myanmar can look Indonesia to good friend, like this good friend. So when Indonesia in trouble or face many problems, we can other country that we will looking for help itself. And the third problem is moral obligation. The moral obligation. Indonesia has a long history of providers refuge to those needing resegmentation. Accepting what Indonesia humanitarian values and strengthen its position as a leader in South Asia. Indonesia has obligation moral to help these Rohingya refugees, because like I said before, with Indonesia taking the refugees, Indonesia can look the other countryside. Indonesia has a powerful, nice country because they take the Rohingya itself. And going to the next is we believe Indonesia has a moral and strategic obligation to take Rohingya refugees going aligned with Indonesia's humanitarian value and promote regional stability. And I'm going to deliver some mechanism to achieve this goal. And it means how we can should take Rohingya refuge. Number 2 is temporary shelter. We can establish temporary refuge camp which provide proper sanitation, healthcare, access education with partner international organization to support. Like Indonesia can doing this help for their own, but we can seek for help for our support with another country or another organization, and then Indonesia will not taking difficulties in their own. We can looking for support itself. So Indonesia can difficult to face this Rohingya refugees. Number 2 is resettlement opportunities. Work with UNHCR or United Nations High Commissioner for Refugees, because these refugees they have their own organization. Like I said before, that is United Nations High Commissioner for Refugees. And if Indonesia take help for these refugees, we can seeking support from this organization. And number 3 is economic integration. We can include the Rohingya. If we take help for Rohingya, we can take Rohingya as and in the process of our economic life, we can provide them to the work field in Indonesia itself. So Rohingya crisis but Indonesia has the research and capacity to make positive difference by taking Rohingya refuge. Indonesia uphold its humanitarian value, contribute to regional stability and others. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
The first speaker of African State spent 7 minutes 2 seconds. I thank the first speaker for his speech, and now to all of the peers for
Okay, that was my first speech in grade 1. Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself first. My name is Fikri Devti, and I'm from the opposition side, and I will introduce you about my thing that is an Intan Nurul Afiqah and Ikan Aceh as a opposition side. Okay, this motion today is this house believes that Indonesia should take in Rohingya refugees. Okay, let me tell you about the setup first, because the government not bring the setup that they clearly set up as the first, because the two items that we want to bring in this motion today is the first is Rohingya and Indonesia. So the characteristic of the Rohingya, that is the illegal people that like that run from their country, right? So the Myanmar is the illegal people. Why we should take them as the Indonesian country and Indonesian government? Why we should take them to as a refugees? The refugees, that is refugees like something like the government will take the like something that give the more pain rather than the benefit, right? So let me tell you about the successful first, because why? Because the Indonesian people have a lot of the people, right? In Indonesia, we don't have the facilitation like something that Indonesian have the borders demography, and it's mostly like more than dangerous if we take the Rohingya refugees. Let me tell you about the poor fertility. Why we should take the poor fertility in Indonesia, and why we don't have the government not explain us about why we should take the Rohingya refugees as the rather than we should give infection to the poor fertility people in Indonesia as a marginal people of Indonesia. So the impact for this motion today is Indonesian people feel annoyed with the Rohingya and the chaotic in the some situation. for example, like Aceh or yeah, they're around the Rohingya where the refugees. So why the Indonesian people feel annoyed? Because they have greedy. The Rohingya people is a greedy person. The characteristic of the Rohingya people is a greedy person. I will tell you about what we should do to take the characteristic of the Rohingya people, and it's bad because they have make the Indonesian feels like the lessness to benefit. So the Rohingya people give the something like we should take anything in Indonesia, and they have no like they have the highest self-esteem that the Indonesian people that don't have. So the government is not should take and give the attention to the local marginal people rather than Rohingya, right? So I will tell you about the stuff first because we have the United Nations. But before that, I will before that I will rebuttal about the government. They said about the regional instability, but because they have a lot of the problem, and I thought that it's contradictory for this motion because it was just like support our thing. Why? Because this you said that regional instability because they have a lot of the problem. That's why we should do opposite of this of the Rohingya refugees because that is the problem. That's why we should not take the Rohingya refugees because they have a lot of the problem in the country, right? So we should opposite about it. So they talk about the good. Indonesia will take the good relation with Myanmar, but that's not true because why? Because they are Rohingya refugees don't have the identity. So they said that the economic will the Indonesian will integrate, but that's not true because they don't have the identity. Even though Myanmar not claim them as the people, as the society, right? So they also thought that the obligation moral for Indonesia. What is why the Indonesian should give a care about the responsibility that don't have to Indonesian take. And then we have to solve that. It can be like we can check and balance in our life because we have the United Nations. I thought that Indonesia not have the responsibility for the Rohingya refugees, and Rohingya is also giving the more lessness for the benefit and more pay for the Indonesian people, local people. So they are because they are illegal people. We don't also take the responsibility for a crime. So that's the thing that if we take the Rohingya refugees, that's the thing that we should support the illegal or crime, right? So that's why we should opposite with this. Imagine judges when we take the Rohingya refugees for Indonesia. The first one, the Indonesian people will feel like uncomfortable for the country. That's the thing that the Rohingya people is not always give the benefit for our work. So the government also not give the explain that the benefit of the Rohingya refugees for Indonesia specifically without the government. So I will vote this one again because the Rohingya refugees is illegal people and they don't have the identity, even though the Myanmar have not claimed for them. Okay, proud to be opposed.
The first speaker of negative claims time 6 minutes 34 seconds.
Nanti.
Now let's continue the case for the second speaker of our meeting. Please come forward.
The idea may be more, the manner and method lebih agak berantakan sih.
not they have an identity, it can be mitigated because besides we protect the refugees from Myanmar, we are also speak up from to the forum in diplomatic status to protect, to support and take action to this right abuse. And besides that, also there are regulations that manage these refugees, and it's not forever. So the refugees is not stand in Indonesia forever, but there are regulations to manage them. Then move to my argument. First is humanitarian responsibility. Indonesia is a member of international community and has obligation to provide shelter to those fleeing persecutor and violence. And in this case, Rohingya face several human rights abuses in Myanmar, which is genocide and war. And from our side, it should protect them, the refugees who had right abuses, because human rights is above all. Second, international image and diplomacy. From the side of global reputation, accepting refugees can enhance Indonesia's standing and the global stage to support human rights as humanitarian aid. Indonesia also has the diplomacy status with Myanmar, and in this case, we should support Myanmar to show our stand as a diplomatical status and to have or take care our good relation with Myanmar. And third is legal and ethical obligation. As I said before, that in this side, from the international law, Indonesia is signature to various international conventions and agreements that oblige to protect and assist refugees, such as the Universal Declaration of Human Rights and the Convention Against Torture. So, our point is, besides we also protect protect the refugees from Rohingya, the point that Indonesia's government allow them to stay here while they have current registration document for UNHCR. It also there are allowance from UNHCR to protect Myanmar refugees or Rohingya refugees in Indonesia. And then next, fourth is regional stability. By taking in refugees, Indonesia can play a crucial role in stability and the region and reduce the strain on neighbor countries like Malaysia and Thailand. And this fostering better regional cooperation and good relation. That's all from me. Thank you so much.
The second speaker of affirmative team spent 5 minutes 32 seconds. And the second negative speaker for the let's continue to the third speaker of negative team. For the third speaker of negative team, time is yours.
Nanti bisa diminta kok.
Check, am I audible? Yes. I would like to start my speech on 3, 2, 1. The Honorable Brigadier Chairperson at the time tomorrow, thank you for your continuity to the speech today. First of all, I am February Lanulo as the second speaker of negative team, and I would like giving two kind of things. The first is rebuttal, and then the second one is argumentation. First, let's move to the rebuttal first from the executive team that would like to say. The first is, they say that Rohingya is seeking for help in our neighbor war, and they say that we must have the humanity of this. Now, have you ever mind, executive team, that why we are looking the humanity in the world, and we are open to taking of responsibility without taking care of inside problem of the country. And then the second one is affirmative state that Myanmar and Indonesia as a friend in bilingual relation. Okay, let's say there are already explained about this that Rohingya is thrown by the Myanmar country because of the problem in their nationality. Myanmar actually didn't give any responsibility of this and how we can throw about this to Indonesian country. And then now, please pay attention on why Rohingya thrown by the Myanmar. It was because of they got a problem in the nationality. So we more agree to take this problem, and we would like to say that we are not agreed that we need to take Rohingya in our country. Now, taking with another half the country, and it will mostly burden Indonesia for the first of them. Now, we don't need to show as humanity country by accepting the word Rohingya in our country. And then they say that we need to show up our humanity all around the world. See that you don't need to show up yourself in case you are not incapable to do that. Judge, opposition team never explain about why Indonesian country will available bullies after on the problem inside of the country as a developing country. Now, answer about it from the affirmative team, right? So the second rebuttal is they say about UNCHR. Actually, this is only a community who take care of our humanity, and we should know the majority totally of Indonesian country refuse of Rohingya because Rohingya always coming up to our country for many times. See, open our eyes that Indonesia nowadays was overpopulated country, Judge and the chairperson. Now they say about human rights abuse also. The rebuttal here is please give it to the United Nations. As our team already proposed this, Indonesia is not a part of Myanmar. Please bring this problem to ASEAN or United Nations as the solving problem. They say that we need to. They say they will protect Rohingya, right, in Indonesia. So protect in terms to give a place, food, sanitation, schools, and etc. It will burdening our country. How is the burden itself? I will explain in our argumentation. The first is, let's say there are already giving definition about Rohingya refugees, problem in their nationality, and then let's say the problem in Indonesian country nowadays, Judge. The first is have any internal problem, and then the second one is in take care of this country, any problem with our humanity inside of this country. First, let's see about the responsibility that must break if we accept Rohingya refugees. First, we need to prepare a place to grow up, to take a rest, and then we need to give food, train, first aid needs by the human and then other rights. See that we are the developing country nowadays. And then the second one is poverty problem in Indonesian country. Based on statistical central Indonesian data, poverty was increased 21 million persons. It means in Indonesia we still have a lot of number in structural poverty, right? And we can even erase about this in our country for many time from 1945 until nowadays. And then now, an allocation of money by the government. And then let's see the number of job vacancy in Indonesia was being a problem. Just this is one of the example of problem inside of our country that highly increased, and actually we cannot face this until nowadays. So we don't need to burden ourselves to accept Rohingya, right? Our humanity, because we have one of our alternative solution that we would like to give to the United Nations or maybe to the ASEAN one. And then a lot of people who got jobless, high demand of the human needed. Let's see in Indonesia, school fees is exploited by highly cost. We want this allocation of money, attention of Indonesian country government to the first money to help the society inside of our country, improving them. The second one is investment for our country into humanity inside of the country. The third one is, let's see, 70% of job vacancy are not published by the company. It means that job vacancy is not open widely for all the society in our country. See, this data is from qualitative Instagram post, and then the second one is from BPS of Count Statistics, 9.9 million Gen Z in Indonesia is jobless and didn't school or even unemployment. Then political issues in our country, just like national election explained and shouted by Benko.com for the example. Volkative, CNN was giving that was burning issues by looking up and pay attention to the politics. And then for the example, like the newest problem, for the example, Tapera or the other one for the example as a problem. See, this is not the urgency for Indonesia to accept Rohingya refugees inside of Indonesia by giving program or anything else, because it was not our responsibility. And then showing us how this problem, showing us how unhealthy condition in our country by pros and contrast perspective. And then the last one is the analogical simple one. As a person, you available to accept Rohingya, offer of humanity or anything kind of side. So we would like to throw this problem to United Nations or to ASEAN one. Proud to be second speaker of negative 2.
He has already said that we have a regulation to manage the immigration, especially people coming to Indonesia. And then, I want to clarify again why we should take Rohingya refugees. First, about the legal and ethnicity obligation. We have to see through the international law that the government of Indonesia allow them to stay here while they have current registration document from UNHCR. So Indonesia will take them if the refugees has the identification document from UNHCR. And Indonesia will not give many benefits of the country like award, something like that. We just give the Rohingya refugees a necessary support and protection. And the second is humanity responsibility. Because the Rohingya decide to refuse from Myanmar, from its country, Indonesia has responsibility to protect them because Indonesia has obligation to contribute in the world problem, especially in ASEAN country. And the third is international image and diplomacy. What we are going to talk in here is about the global reputation. Accepting refugees can enhance Indonesia's standing on the global stage as the leader in human rights and humanitarian aid. Of course, Indonesia is a human rights country, especially in humanitarian country, that we have to help each other, even if they want to work in here. We are not allowed to give any advance or any benefit from the government side, from the Indonesian government especially. So we just give them a protection and a place to stay, but it's not get longer and they will not be Indonesian people. So Indonesia has the regulation to manage the immigration movement. So I want to clarify again that we should take the Rohingya refugees because Indonesia is a diplomacy country and Indonesia has the obligation to take care of people that especially has problem in discrimination or in genocide or something like that. We have to protect them in cases the Rohingya refugees. I think that's all for me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Dear honorable all the judges, and thank you for this opportunity. I'm as the third speaker of opposition team. We decline this motion. This House believes that Indonesia should take in Rohingya refugees. Judges, let me talk about the rebuttal for affirmative team. The first one is they said that Indonesia have many food, water, and anything, so that's why Indonesia should refugees Rohingya. But Indonesia also still face a lot of problems. So why Indonesia should have Rohingya? You say it's okay, but you say that it's about humanity, but Indonesia should make it clear about all the problem in Indonesia first, right? The second one is affirmative say that they worried about United Nations can't save Rohingya and anything. The big question for affirmative is why they believe that Indonesia can protect Rohingya rather than United Nations, the highest protector. the first speaker of our team say that was saying that more and more Indonesia accommodating the burden of people life. Indonesia itself had a lot of burden socially, especially in the economic and work. If we represent Rohingya, it can mean that we add more problem in Indonesia, right? Such as we need the work for Rohingya and anything, so that Rohingya is not be problem in Indonesia. And the second one is Indonesia government taking Rohingya refugees even more have worried to Rohingya itself. Please remember the case that some civilians, some Aceh civilians that refused Rohingya from Aceh. So many Rohingya people that scared about this threat from civilians people, right? Then in Rohingya refugees in Indonesia itself can be more good for Rohingya itself, right? And affirmative team can answer our worries about the why or how all the things still good if we Indonesia refugees in Rohingya to Indonesia, right? And I think that's all. I think that's all from me. Proud to be opposition.
The third speaker of negative team spent 3 minutes 7 seconds. Thank you to the third negative speaker for this speech. Now it's time for Instinct to give reply speech. Instinct has 5 minutes to continue reply speech. It will be started by the negative team. For the reply speaker of negative team, time is yours.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Dear honorable judges, chairperson and time before, as the second speaker of the negative team, I would like to give about our overview and explanation as a reply speaker here. And then actually our team as a negative team can prove why Indonesia should not take in Rohingya refugees. And this is the world with a negative team that cannot prove why Indonesia should not why Indonesia should take in Rohingya refugees. As we know that some point of our team that we would like to propose the first poverty problem in Indonesian country increased 25 million points 90%, following by highly demands of human needed, school fees highly, and etc. And then we also try to expand that from BTS 9.9 million Gen Z in Indonesia is jobless and employment. It means that in our side we finally can explain well about why we should not take Rohingya refugees of our community because of many problems inside of our country and also the political problem in our country that can prove that our country needs more attention inside of our country. And then the second one is we know that taking after the explanation of the third speaker say that if we are taking about these Rohingya refugees in Indonesia and then the affirmative would like to say like yeah, we will give you project or anything else. Actually, this proposal cannot accept by this debate because they cannot even. We already say that they cannot explain why Indonesian country will available to this approach on the problem inside of the country as developing country, and then our team is approach that first country or alternative team because we know that Indonesian country will not available to do this because we've got a lot of problem and we are a developing country, and we also knowing and try to we've already finished about explaining and identify about why Rohingya is a little one and why Rohingya is charged by their own country and why we don't need to take responsibility of this because the Rohingya has a problem with nationality and it unacceptable for our country, and then we would like to take up this into the United Nations and also would like to give this to the ASEAN for the example. And then even Indonesia is a part of ASEAN, but we don't like to in discussion Indonesia will accept a personality, but we don't want to do that, and we will take this as an organization for the example. Proud to be negative too.
We face is the Rohingya was in was inside in this country. So at least we have to do something in a good ways. Imagine you take the way that opposition's advice to refuse or step them out of this country. There will be more than impactful, such as one of the example is Indonesia become the bad country that less humanitarian and others. The point is the Rohingya was in Indonesia. That what we can do is should take Rohingya. At least we should not take this alone. We can look in support from others like other country and other organization. And there is a specifically organization that we have explained before, that is UNHCR, our United Nations High Commissioner for Refugees. And I want to emphasizing that the problem that we should take the Rohingya refugees is, number one is humanitarian crisis itself. Indonesia is a member of international country, has obligation to provide sanctuary fleeing persecution and violence. Number two is Indonesia is diplomatic status. Indonesia has a diplomatic relation that must involve in a cooperation and must help when there are human rights abuse. And it's legal. Number three is it's legal and ethical obligation. According to regulation UNHCR Indonesia, that government gives authority to UNHCR Indonesia to carry out refugee regulation or mandate to handle a refugee problem. And we emphasize that there are regulations to manage refuge and it's not forever or contemporary. And we emphasizing one of main our mechanism is should take this Rohingya refugees is temporary shelter. Establish temporary refugee camp will provide, at least we can do something in a good ways, because humanitarian is life. Establish a temporary refugee camp will provide proper sanitation, healthcare education and others with partner, that is another partner from organization in Indonesia. So we can take this forever and take this alone. At least we can do something in a good ways, that we can accept the Rohingya refugees first, and then we can decide, we can find another option that good in the future. Like, I think that's all, and thank you very much.